Welcome to this comprehensive educational series on General Motors automatic transmissions. We'll examine four critical transmission models that have shaped modern automotive engineering. These transmissions represent decades of engineering evolution, from the six-speed 6L80 and 6L90 introduced in the mid-2000s to the advanced 10-speed 10L80 that emerged in 2017. Each transmission brought significant technological advances. The 6L80 and 6L90 introduced clutch-to-clutch shifting, eliminating the bands used in older designs for improved efficiency and durability. The 8L90, introduced in 2014, brought 8-speed technology to GM vehicles, offering improved fuel efficiency and smoother shifting through advanced gear ratios and refined hydraulic controls. The 10L80, co-developed with Ford, represents the pinnacle of current GM transmission technology. This 10-speed unit delivers exceptional fuel economy while maintaining the durability required for heavy-duty applications. Throughout this educational series, we'll examine each transmission's design philosophy, analyze their engineering strengths and weaknesses, and evaluate real-world performance data to determine which represents the best balance of innovation and reliability. By the end of this series, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of these transmission systems, their engineering trade-offs, and the factors that make one design superior to another in terms of both innovation and long-term reliability. The 6L80 and 6L90 transmissions represent a significant advancement in General Motors' automatic transmission technology. Introduced in the mid-2000s, these six-speed units marked a major shift in design philosophy and performance capabilities. These transmissions replaced the aging 4-speed 4L60E and 4L65E units that had served GM vehicles for many years. The transition to 6 speeds provided better fuel economy and improved performance across the entire speed range. Here we can see a direct comparison between the older 4L60E and the newer 6L80 transmission. Notice the size difference and the more complex internal structure of the 6-speed unit. The most significant innovation in the 6L80 and 6L90 is the clutch-to-clutch design. Unlike previous transmissions that used friction bands for gear changes, these units employ multiple clutch packs that engage and disengage to select different gear ratios. This exploded view shows the complex arrangement of clutch drums, planetary gear sets, and control components. The clutch-to-clutch design eliminates the lag time associated with band application, resulting in quicker and smoother gear changes. While both transmissions share the same basic design, the 6L90 is the heavy-duty variant. It features stronger internal components and can handle significantly more torque than the 6L80. The 6L90 can handle up to 590 pound-feet of torque compared to the 6L80's 440 pound-feet capacity. This makes the 6L90 ideal for heavy-duty trucks, performance vehicles, and commercial applications where higher torque loads are common. Both transmissions represent a significant engineering achievement, combining advanced clutch-to-clutch technology with robust construction to deliver improved performance, efficiency, and reliability compared to their predecessors. The 6L80 and 6L90 transmissions incorporate several advanced technologies that set them apart from earlier automatic transmissions. These features work together to provide improved performance, efficiency, and durability. The first key feature is adaptive shift control. This intelligent system continuously monitors driving patterns and automatically adjusts shift points to match the driver's style and current driving conditions. The second major feature is the wide gear ratio spread. The 6 forward gears provide an optimal balance between strong acceleration in lower gears and efficient cruising in higher gears, maximizing both performance and fuel economy. The third key technology is the sophisticated electronic control system. Advanced sensors and processors monitor transmission conditions in real time, enabling precise shift timing and optimal torque management for smooth, efficient operation. Finally, the 6L90 variant features a robust design with strengthened components specifically engineered for high-torque applications. This includes reinforced clutch packs, upgraded planetary gear sets, and enhanced cooling systems to handle the demands of heavy-duty use. These four key technologies, adaptive shift control, wide gear ratio spread, electronic precision, and robust construction, make the 6L80 and 6L90 transmissions highly capable units that deliver both performance and reliability in their respective applications. The 8L90 represents General Motors' advancement into 8-speed automatic transmission technology. Introduced in 2014, this transmission marked a significant evolution in GM's transmission design philosophy. The 8L90 builds upon the successful clutch-to-clutch design philosophy established by the 6L80 and 6L90 transmissions. This 8-speed unit was specifically engineered for GM's full-size trucks and SUVs, providing enhanced performance and fuel efficiency. The transition from 6-speed to 8-speed technology represents more than just adding 2 additional gears. The 8L90 incorporates advanced clutch-to-clutch shifting technology, eliminating the bands used in older transmission designs. While the 8L90 shares conceptual similarities with the ZF 8HP transmission, it features a unique arrangement of internal components. GM developed this transmission specifically for their vehicle applications, with custom calibration and software integration. The 8L90's internal architecture consists of multiple planetary gear sets, clutch packs, and hydraulic control systems. This complex arrangement allows for smooth shifting between 8 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. The primary advantage of the 8L90's 8-speed design is that it allows the engine to operate closer to its optimal RPM range more frequently. This results in improved fuel efficiency, better performance, and reduced engine stress during various driving conditions. The 8L90's gear ratios are carefully calibrated to provide an optimal balance between power delivery and fuel efficiency. The additional gear ratios allow for smaller steps between gears, resulting in smoother acceleration and better overall drivability. The 8L90 transmission incorporates several advanced features and technologies that set it apart from its predecessors. The most significant improvement is its wider R overall gear ratio spread compared to the 6L80 and 6L90 transmissions. The 8L90 achieves a 7.0 to 1 overall gear ratio spread compared to the 6.04 to 1 spread of the 6L80 and 6L90. This wider spread allows the engine to operate more efficiently across a broader range of driving conditions. This improved gear ratio spread delivers multiple performance benefits, including better fuel economy, improved acceleration, smoother gear transitions, and optimized engine RPM across all driving scenarios. The 8L90 also utilizes advanced lightweight materials in its construction. Aluminum alloys are extensively used throughout the transmission housing and internal components to reduce overall weight while maintaining structural integrity. The extensive use of aluminum alloys in the housing and internal components results in approximately 15% weight reduction compared to traditional steel construction, leading to improved vehicle performance and fuel efficiency. The electronic control systems in the 8L90 represent a significant advancement in transmission technology. These sophisticated controls enable precise shift timing and seamless gear changes through advanced algorithms and sensor feedback. These electronic controls deliver exceptional performance with shift times under 200 milliseconds and RPM precision within plus or minus 5 RPM. The system continuously adapts to driving conditions and driver behavior for optimal performance. The integration of these key technologies, wider gear ratios, lightweight materials, and sophisticated electronic controls, makes the 8L90 a significant advancement in automatic transmission design, delivering improved efficiency, performance, and driving experience. The 10L80 represents a major advancement in automatic transmission technology. Introduced in 2017, this 10-speed transmission was co-developed by General Motors and Ford, marking a significant collaboration between two major automotive manufacturers. This cross-sectional view shows the sophisticated internal architecture of the 10L80. The transmission features a mass and length-reduced torque converter, along with advanced hydraulic control systems that enable precise gear changes across all 10 speeds. The collaboration between GM and Ford resulted in two variants, the 10L80 for General Motors vehicles, and the 10R80 for Ford applications. While sharing the same basic architecture, each version features unique calibrations and component sourcing optimized for their respective vehicle platforms. The 10L80's design philosophy centers on two critical objectives: minimizing internal friction and maximizing power transfer efficiency. This is achieved through advanced materials, precision manufacturing, and innovative hydraulic control systems. This detailed view reveals the precision-engineered components that make the 10L80 possible. Each gear, bearing, and hydraulic component is designed to work in perfect harmony, enabling smooth transitions across all 10 gear ratios while maintaining durability and efficiency. The 10L80's 10-speed configuration provides unprecedented flexibility in gear selection, allowing the transmission to keep the engine operating in its most efficient range across a wide variety of driving conditions. This results in improved fuel economy, enhanced performance, and smoother operation compared to traditional 6- or 8-speed transmissions. The 10L80 transmission represents General Motors' most advanced automatic transmission technology, incorporating 4 key innovations that set it apart from previous designs. The first major feature is the exceptionally wide overall gear ratio spread. This engineering achievement allows the transmission to provide both strong acceleration in lower gears and excellent fuel economy in higher gears. The second key feature is the advanced electronic control system. Managing 10 different gears requires sophisticated software and sensors to determine the optimal shift points and timing for smooth operation. The third innovation is the extensive use of lightweight materials throughout the transmission. This weight reduction improves vehicle fuel efficiency and performance while maintaining structural integrity and durability. The fourth key feature is the turbine damper system. This technology significantly reduces vibrations and improves overall refinement, making the driving experience smoother and more comfortable for passengers. These 4 key technologies work together to make the 10L80 one of the most advanced transmissions in General Motors' lineup, delivering exceptional performance, efficiency, and refinement for modern vehicles. The evolution from 6-speed to 8-speed to 10-speed transmissions represents a significant advancement in automotive engineering. More gears provide finer control over engine RPM, leading to improved fuel efficiency and optimized performance across various driving conditions. Let's examine the 3 main transmission families. The 6L80 and 6L90 offer 6 forward speeds, the 8L90 provides 8 speeds, and the 10L80 delivers 10 forward speeds. Each step up provides more precise gear ratios. Gear ratios determine how engine power is transmitted to the wheels. Lower numerical ratios provide better fuel economy, while higher ratios offer more torque multiplication for acceleration. Here we can see how the gear ratios are distributed across each transmission. Notice how the 10-speed transmission has smaller steps between gears, allowing for more precise engine speed control. Every engine has an optimal RPM range called the sweet spot, where it operates most efficiently. This is typically between 1,500 and 3,000 RPM for most engines, where fuel consumption is minimized and power delivery is smooth. The 10L80 transmission, with its closer gear ratios, can keep the engine in its sweet spot more consistently than the 6L80 or 6L90. This translates to better fuel economy, improved acceleration, and smoother gear transitions across all driving conditions. In summary, the progression from 6 to 8 to 10 speeds represents a significant advancement in transmission technology. More gears provide finer control over engine RPM, keeping the engine in its optimal operating range more often, resulting in better fuel economy, smoother acceleration, and improved overall driving experience. The 6L80 and 6L90 transmissions, while generally reliable, have several documented issues that owners and technicians should be aware of. Understanding these common problems helps with early diagnosis and proper maintenance. The most commonly reported issue with 6L80 and 6L90 transmissions is harsh shifting, particularly during cold starts. This manifests as abrupt gear changes that can be felt as jolts or jerks, especially when the transmission fluid is cold and thick. Torque converter problems are another significant concern. The torque converter transfers power from the engine to the transmission through hydraulic coupling. When it fails, symptoms include shuddering, slipping, or complete loss of power transfer. Valve body problems affect the transmission's hydraulic control system. The valve body contains intricate passages and valves that direct transmission fluid to engage different gears. When these components wear or become contaminated, shifting becomes erratic. Proper maintenance is crucial for preventing these problems. Using the correct transmission fluid type and changing it at recommended intervals can significantly extend transmission life. The fluid color chart shows how fluid condition affects performance. When problems occur, professional diagnosis and repair are essential. Modern transmissions require specialized tools and knowledge. Software updates from General Motors can also address many shifting issues through improved calibration. Understanding these common 6L80 and 6L90 problems helps owners maintain their transmissions properly. Early detection through regular maintenance and prompt professional service can prevent minor issues from becoming major failures. The 8L90 transmission, while advanced in design, has experienced several notable problems that have affected owner satisfaction and reliability ratings. The most commonly reported issues include transmission shuddering and harsh shifting, particularly during gear changes. These problems were especially prevalent in early production years from 2014 to 2016. Engineering analysis revealed that these problems stem from two primary root causes: transmission fluid formulation issues and valve body design problems. General Motors responded to these issues by developing updated transmission fluid formulations and releasing new software calibrations to improve shift quality and reduce shuddering. Despite these engineering improvements and updates, some owners continue to experience transmission problems even after applying the latest software calibrations and fluid changes, indicating that the underlying design challenges may require more comprehensive solutions. Understanding these common problems helps technicians and owners make informed decisions about maintenance, repairs, and potential transmission replacements for vehicles equipped with the 8L90 transmission. The 10L80 transmission is generally considered more refined and reliable than the 8L90, representing GM's latest advancement in automatic transmission technology. However, even this improved design has experienced some notable problems that owners should be aware of. The most commonly reported problems with the 10L80 include harsh shifting, hesitation during gear changes, fluid degradation, and valve body-related issues. While these problems are less frequent than in earlier transmissions, they still affect some vehicles. Harsh shifting manifests as abrupt, jarring transitions between gears, particularly noticeable during acceleration or when the transmission downshifts. This can create an uncomfortable driving experience and may indicate internal wear or calibration issues. Hesitation during shifts creates a noticeable delay between throttle input and the actual gear change. This can make the vehicle feel sluggish and unresponsive, particularly during acceleration or when merging into traffic. Fluid degradation is a critical factor in 10L80 problems. As transmission fluid breaks down over time, it loses its lubricating properties and ability to transfer hydraulic pressure effectively. This spectral analysis shows the chemical changes that occur in degraded fluid. The valve body is the hydraulic control center of the transmission. In the 10L80, valve body issues can include solenoid failures, stuck valves, and pressure regulation problems. These electronic and hydraulic components work together to control shift timing and quality. Regular maintenance and software updates are essential for preventing 10L80 problems. Following GM's recommended service intervals, using proper fluids, and keeping the transmission control module software current can significantly reduce the likelihood of these issues occurring. While the 10L80 represents a significant improvement in reliability over earlier GM transmissions, proper maintenance remains crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Addressing problems early can prevent more serious and expensive repairs down the road. Determining precise failure rates for GM transmissions presents significant challenges. Multiple variables affect transmission reliability, making it difficult to establish definitive statistics. Several key factors influence transmission reliability. Driving conditions vary dramatically between highway cruising and stop-and-go city traffic. Maintenance practices differ widely among vehicle owners, and vehicle applications range from light-duty passenger cars to heavy-duty trucks. Despite these challenges, anecdotal evidence and consumer reports provide valuable insights into relative reliability patterns among GM's transmission lineup. Based on consumer reports and anecdotal evidence, the 8L90 transmission has historically shown a higher incidence of reported issues compared to both the 6L80, 6L90 series, and the newer 10L80. The 10L80 appears to be the most reliable of the three transmission types. However, this assessment comes with an important caveat. The 10L80 is the newest design, introduced in 2017, so comprehensive long-term reliability data is still emerging. It's crucial to understand that these patterns represent reported issues rather than precise failure rates. The automotive industry lacks standardized failure rate reporting, making direct comparisons challenging. Several factors limit the precision of available reliability data. Consumer reports can vary in quality and may contain bias. Manufacturers typically keep detailed failure data proprietary. Sample sizes differ significantly between transmission types, and reporting timeframes are often inconsistent across sources. While precise failure rates remain elusive, the available evidence suggests distinct reliability patterns among GM's transmission lineup. The 8L90 shows higher reported issues, the 6L80 and 6L90 demonstrate moderate reliability, and the 10L80 appears promising but requires more time for comprehensive evaluation. Automotive transmission experts have extensively analyzed the reliability and performance characteristics of General Motors' modern transmission lineup. Their professional assessments provide valuable insights into the real-world performance of these complex mechanical systems. To understand expert opinions, we must first appreciate the complexity of modern automatic transmissions. These sophisticated systems contain hundreds of precisely engineered components working in perfect harmony. Industry experts consistently rank the 10L80 as General Motors' most reliable modern transmission. This 10-speed unit represents a significant engineering advancement over previous designs, with improved durability and reduced failure rates. Regarding the 8L90, experts acknowledge its performance capabilities but note reliability concerns. This 8-speed transmission has experienced higher failure rates compared to the newer 10L80, leading many professionals to recommend caution. The 6L80 and 6L90 transmissions receive mixed reviews from experts. While considered relatively reliable due to their mature design, professionals note that these older 6-speed units lack the performance and fuel efficiency of newer transmissions. Experts universally emphasize that regular maintenance is critical for all these transmissions. Proper fluid changes, following manufacturer schedules, can significantly extend transmission life regardless of the specific model. The expert consensus is clear. While each transmission has its strengths and weaknesses, proper maintenance remains the single most important factor in ensuring long-term reliability across all General Motors transmission models. Proper maintenance is the key to maximizing the lifespan and reliability of GM transmissions. Whether you have a 6L80, 6L90, 8L90, or 10L80, following best practices will prevent costly failures and ensure smooth operation. The most critical maintenance practice is regular transmission fluid changes using the correct type of fluid. Different transmission fluids have varying levels of acid formation, which directly impacts transmission longevity and performance. General Motors provides detailed service schedules that specify exactly when transmission maintenance should be performed. Following these manufacturer recommendations is essential for maintaining warranty coverage and optimal performance. Early detection of transmission problems can prevent minor issues from becoming major failures. Pay attention to warning signs like unusual noises, harsh shifting, slipping, or delayed engagement. Understanding the top causes of transmission failure helps prioritize maintenance efforts. Most failures can be prevented through proper fluid maintenance, filter changes, and addressing issues before they escalate. Finally, having your transmission serviced by qualified technicians who are experienced with GM transmissions ensures proper procedures are followed. They have the specialized tools and knowledge needed for these complex systems. By following these maintenance best practices, regular fluid changes, adhering to service schedules, early problem detection, and professional service, you can significantly extend the life of your GM transmission and avoid costly repairs. From an engineering perspective, the 10L80 transmission stands out as a remarkable achievement in automotive design. Managing 10 distinct gear ratios while maintaining smooth, efficient shifting represents a significant engineering challenge that General Motors has successfully overcome. The complexity of the 10L80's internal architecture is evident in its detailed technical specifications. This transmission contains hundreds of precisely engineered components, each designed to work in perfect harmony to deliver seamless power transfer. The engineering challenge of managing 10-gear ratios requires sophisticated control algorithms and precise mechanical design. Each gear set must be perfectly timed and coordinated to ensure smooth transitions without power interruption. Advanced electronic controls are the brain of the 10L80 system. Sophisticated solenoid valves respond to transmission control module commands in milliseconds, enabling precise hydraulic pressure control for each gear engagement. Material engineering plays a crucial role in the 10L80's performance. Advanced aluminum alloys reduce weight while maintaining strength, and specialized coatings improve durability and reduce friction throughout the transmission. The 10L80 transmission represents the culmination of decades of engineering advancement. Its innovative design, combining complex mechanical systems with sophisticated electronic controls and advanced materials, demonstrates General Motors' commitment to engineering excellence and sets new standards for transmission technology. When evaluating which GM transmission is the best engineered, we must consider reliability as the primary metric. Engineering excellence isn't just about advanced features. It's about creating robust, dependable systems that perform consistently over time. Let's examine each transmission family through the lens of engineering reliability. We'll compare complexity levels, failure rates, and real-world durability to determine which represents the best engineering approach. The 6L80 and 6L90 represent mature, proven engineering. Their six-speed design eliminates unnecessary complexity while delivering robust performance. The 6L90, specifically designed for high torque applications, has demonstrated exceptional reliability in demanding conditions. The 8L90 represents advanced engineering with its 8-speed design offering improved fuel efficiency. However, increased complexity has led to reliability concerns. Multiple clutch packs and sophisticated control systems create more potential failure points. The 10L80 showcases cutting-edge transmission technology with 10 speeds and advanced materials. While impressive from a design perspective, its complexity introduces numerous potential failure points that impact long-term reliability. From a pure engineering reliability standpoint, the 6L90 emerges as the best engineered transmission. Its design philosophy prioritizes proven technology over complexity, resulting in superior long-term dependability and lower total cost of ownership. Modern GM transmissions rely heavily on sophisticated software and calibration to deliver optimal performance. The transmission control module uses complex algorithms to determine when and how to shift gears based on hundreds of parameters. General Motors regularly releases software updates through their Service Programming System, or SPS. This system allows technicians to flash new calibrations directly to the transmission control module, addressing known issues and improving performance. The calibration update process involves connecting diagnostic equipment to the vehicle's data link connector and flashing new software to the transmission control module. This process typically takes several minutes and must not be interrupted. Software updates fine-tune critical transmission parameters. Shift points are optimized based on throttle position, vehicle speed, and load conditions. These calibrations ensure smooth, efficient gear changes under all driving conditions. Torque converter lockup calibration is particularly important for fuel economy and performance. The software determines the optimal speed and load conditions for engaging the lockup clutch, balancing efficiency with smooth operation. Keeping your transmission software up to date is essential for optimal performance and longevity. Many common transmission problems can be resolved simply by installing the latest calibration. Regular software updates prevent issues before they become costly repairs. In modern transmissions, software is just as important as hardware. The sophisticated calibrations developed by GM engineers ensure that these complex mechanical systems operate smoothly, efficiently, and reliably throughout their service life. When standard transmission performance isn't enough, aftermarket solutions offer ways to enhance reliability and performance. These upgrades can address specific weaknesses and unlock additional capabilities in GM transmissions. Valve body upgrades are among the most popular aftermarket modifications. These precision-engineered components improve shift quality, response times, and overall transmission control. The PWM solenoid filter screen and valve body passages can be optimized for better fluid flow and pressure regulation. Torque converter upgrades can dramatically improve transmission performance. High-performance converters feature optimized stall speeds, better heat dissipation, and improved lockup characteristics. The impeller, stator, and turbine can be redesigned for specific applications, whether for towing or high-performance driving. Shift kits modify internal hydraulic circuits to provide firmer, more consistent shifts. These kits reduce clutch overlap time and improve band application. Additional modifications include upgraded cooler lines, high-flow filters, and pump modifications that enhance fluid circulation and cooling. The success of aftermarket upgrades depends heavily on quality components and professional installation. Choose suppliers with proven track records and quality materials. Professional installation by qualified technicians is crucial, as improper installation can create more problems than it solves. These modifications often require specialized tools and calibration expertise. When properly implemented, aftermarket solutions can transform transmission performance. Stock transmissions provide basic reliability, while upgraded units offer crisp shifts, enhanced durability, improved cooling, and application-specific tuning. The key is choosing quality components and professional installation to achieve these benefits safely and reliably. Understanding where these GM transmissions are actually used in real vehicles provides valuable insights into their design strengths and intended purposes. Each transmission family has been strategically deployed across different vehicle segments. The 6L80 and 6L90 transmissions represent GM's workhorse six-speed family, found across a diverse range of vehicles, from light-duty trucks to high-performance sports cars. These transmissions are extensively used in Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra pickup trucks, where their robust construction handles heavy towing and hauling demands. The 6L90, being the heavy-duty variant, also powers performance vehicles like the Camaro SS and earlier Corvette models, demonstrating its capability to handle high-torque applications. The 8L90 8-speed transmission represents GM's premium offering, primarily deployed in high-performance and luxury applications where smooth shifting and efficiency are paramount. The 8L90 is most notably found in the Chevrolet Corvette, where its 8 speeds provide optimal gear ratios for both track performance and highway cruising efficiency. This transmission's sophisticated control systems and close gear ratios make it ideal for vehicles where performance and refinement are equally important. The 10L80 represents GM's latest 10-speed technology, co-developed with Ford and deployed in their newest generation of trucks, SUVs, and performance vehicles. The Chevrolet Camaro, with its V8 engine, utilizes the 10L80 to maximize both acceleration performance and fuel economy through its wide ratio spread and advanced control algorithms. The 10L80's 10 speeds allow for optimal engine operation across a wide range of driving conditions, from city traffic to highway cruising to performance driving. These real-world applications reveal important insights about each transmission's design philosophy and engineering priorities. The 6L80 and 6L90's widespread use in trucks and SUVs demonstrates their focus on durability and torque handling, while their presence in performance cars shows their versatility. The 8L90's deployment in premium and performance vehicles highlights its sophisticated engineering, though this complexity can sometimes lead to higher maintenance requirements. The 10L80's modern applications showcase GM's latest transmission technology, offering the best fuel economy and performance potential, though long-term reliability data is still being established. Understanding these real-world applications helps explain why certain transmissions excel in specific scenarios while facing challenges in others, providing valuable context for transmission selection and maintenance decisions. General Motors' transmission technology continues to evolve rapidly. The future holds significant improvements in efficiency, integration with electrification, and advanced control systems that will reshape how we think about automotive powertrains. Future GM transmissions will achieve significantly higher efficiency ratings. Through advanced materials, improved hydraulic systems, and optimized gear ratios, we can expect efficiency improvements from current 85% levels to over 95%. The integration of hybrid powertrains represents a major shift in transmission design. Future GM transmissions will seamlessly blend traditional automatic operation with electric motor assistance, requiring specialized control systems and mechanical layouts. Continuously variable transmissions will play an increasingly important role in GM's future lineup. CVTs provide infinite gear ratios between minimum and maximum values, offering superior fuel economy in city driving and smooth acceleration without traditional gear shifts. Electric drive units represent the future of transmission technology for electric and hybrid vehicles. These integrated systems combine the electric motor, power electronics, and gear reduction into a single compact unit, eliminating the need for traditional multi-speed transmissions in many applications. The future of GM transmissions will be defined by several key technologies. AI-controlled shifting will optimize performance in real time. Advanced materials will reduce weight and increase durability. Wireless updates will allow continuous improvement of transmission software. And predictive maintenance will prevent failures before they occur, maximizing reliability and customer satisfaction. These advances position GM at the forefront of transmission technology, ready to meet the challenges of electrification, autonomous driving, and ever-increasing efficiency demands in the automotive industry. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing transmission design, bringing unprecedented capabilities to optimize performance, efficiency, and reliability. Modern AI algorithms can process vast amounts of engineering data to create better transmissions than ever before. AI systems collect and analyze multiple data streams simultaneously. Engine performance data, vehicle dynamics, driver behavior patterns, and environmental conditions all feed into sophisticated algorithms that can identify optimal transmission parameters. The AI algorithms output optimized parameters for gear ratios, shift patterns, and control logic. This data-driven approach allows engineers to fine-tune transmissions for specific applications and performance goals. One of the most significant applications is gear ratio optimization. AI can analyze thousands of driving scenarios to determine the ideal gear ratios for maximum efficiency and performance. AI systems can analyze over 10,000 different driving cycles across multiple vehicle types and conditions. This comprehensive analysis leads to significant improvements in fuel efficiency, performance, and component durability. Beyond design optimization, AI enables predictive maintenance capabilities. Machine learning algorithms can analyze transmission behavior patterns to predict potential failures before they occur. AI processing occurs at multiple levels, from real-time sensor data analysis to long-term pattern recognition. This hierarchical approach allows the system to predict maintenance needs weeks or months in advance. The benefits of AI-driven predictive maintenance are substantial. By preventing failures before they occur, manufacturers can reduce vehicle downtime, lower maintenance costs, and significantly extend transmission lifespan. AI is transforming transmission engineering from reactive to proactive design. By leveraging machine learning and big data analytics, engineers can create transmissions that are not only more efficient and reliable, but also self-monitoring and adaptive to real-world conditions. After examining the 6L80, 6L90, 8L90, and 10L80 transmissions in detail, we now need to understand how to choose the right transmission for specific applications and requirements. Each transmission family offers distinct advantages and trade-offs. Let's examine a comprehensive comparison to understand their key characteristics and optimal applications. The 6L80 and 6L90 transmissions represent proven, mature technology. While they offer only 6 speeds, they have established excellent reliability records and are ideal for heavy-duty applications where durability is paramount. The 8L90 provides 8 speeds for improved performance and fuel economy, but has experienced some reliability challenges. It's best suited for performance-oriented applications where the additional gears provide significant benefits. The 10L80 represents the latest technology with 10 speeds, offering excellent fuel efficiency and smooth operation. While still relatively new, it shows promise for applications prioritizing maximum efficiency and refinement. When selecting a transmission, several key factors should guide your decision. Let's examine the primary considerations that will help determine the best choice for your specific application. For heavy-duty commercial applications or towing, the 6L80 and 6L90 remain excellent choices due to their proven durability and robust construction. Their simpler design means fewer potential failure points. For performance vehicles where smooth shifting and responsiveness are priorities, the 8L90 provides the best balance of performance and technology, despite some reliability concerns that can be managed with proper maintenance. For maximum fuel efficiency and the latest technology, the 10L80 is the clear choice. Its 10 speeds provide optimal gear ratios for virtually any driving condition, maximizing both performance and economy. Understanding the internal complexity of these transmissions helps explain their different characteristics. More complex designs, like the 10L80, offer greater efficiency but require more sophisticated maintenance protocols. Regardless of which transmission you choose, regular maintenance is absolutely critical. Proper fluid changes, filter replacements, and software updates can dramatically extend transmission life and prevent costly failures. In summary, choose the 6L80 or 6L90 for maximum reliability and heavy-duty applications. Select the 8L90 for performance-focused vehicles where you can commit to diligent maintenance. Opt for the 10L80 when fuel efficiency is the top priority and you want the latest technology. Remember, any transmission will serve you well with proper care and maintenance. As we conclude our comprehensive examination of GM's transmission lineup, it's time to synthesize what we've learned and provide clear recommendations for different use cases. We've explored 3 distinct transmission families, each with their own strengths and characteristics. The 6L80 and 6L90 represent proven, robust engineering with a focus on reliability and durability. The 8L90 strikes a balance between traditional reliability and modern efficiency, offering improved fuel economy while maintaining reasonable complexity and serviceability. The 10L80 represents the cutting edge of transmission technology, delivering maximum efficiency and performance through advanced engineering and sophisticated control systems. So which transmission is right for you? The answer depends entirely on your priorities and specific needs. Let me break this down into clear recommendations. If reliability is your top priority and you value proven, time-tested engineering, the 6L90 remains an excellent choice. Its robust design and lower complexity make it ideal for heavy-duty applications and those who prioritize longevity over cutting-edge features. For those seeking a balanced approach that combines reliability with modern efficiency improvements, the 8L90 offers the best of both worlds. It provides better fuel economy than the 6-speed units while maintaining reasonable serviceability. If you want the absolute latest in transmission technology and maximum fuel efficiency, the 10L80 is the clear choice. Its advanced features and sophisticated control systems deliver unmatched performance, though with increased complexity. However, regardless of which transmission you choose, there's one critical factor that trumps all others: proper maintenance and care. These complex mechanical systems, regardless of their design sophistication, require consistent care to deliver their intended performance and longevity. Regular maintenance is the single most important factor in transmission reliability. In conclusion, there is no single best transmission, only the best transmission for your specific needs, properly maintained and cared for. Whether you choose the proven reliability of the 6L90, the balanced approach of the 8L90, or the advanced technology of the 10L80, your commitment to proper maintenance will determine its success. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through GM's transmission technology. Armed with this knowledge, you're now equipped to make informed decisions about these remarkable pieces of engineering. Drive safely, maintain properly, and enjoy the smooth operation of your transmission.